Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see on Samsung how to screen record. So in Samsung's recent update of One UI 7, if we just scroll down from top and you will find this option right here and you can see the screen recorder option in just right beside link to Windows. So if you tap on screen recorder, you will find this option will start recording with screen recorder, and screen recorder will have access to this info on your screen or played from your phone while recording. This can include passwords, payment details, pictures, messages, and more. So if you just tap on sounds, it will just not record anything. So if you just select media, it will record the media on your screen but not the sound of your phone. But if you just select media and mic, it will do both, record the screen and your audio of your phone. And if you just want to turn on the taps and touches you do on your phone while screen recording, just turn it on. So once you are okay with it, just tap on start recording and it will start recording on your phone screen. So yeah, this is how you can just record screen on Samsung. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.